my message to you guys, ungazi nje ezilalini. Kuyafiwa apha, kusetyenzwa apha, kusetyenzwa apha. Uze apha at your own risk.
Ella, welcome to another vlog. Moja, as you all know, Bantu Lalin right now. Okay, maybe some of you don't know. Bantu Lalin right now. Got here like a few days ago. Ella Jong of you too. I don't know if you guys can say it, but like but anyway, I'm gonna show you guys. But it's getting better now. BOS. But anyway, I got here like Sunday. Today is Tuesday. And besengiqalile izolo usebenza. Joe, imagine difika. But I mean, I knew ba kuzokwenzeka lo way. So here's the breakdown of everything that's gonna happen in today's vlog, okanye in this week's vlog. I'll be working. Wire, I'll be working. Yeah, well, like today I have to paint window frames. I have to go trim the grass, and then trim it, yeah. And then lenduza, twin. I don't know what you guys call it in English. But not twin. And then what else? And then cut down a tree and cut the hedge. I can clean my room, all the other rooms, yeah. So because I'm like like every minute. So like yeah, that's about that. Yeah, I'll show you the outfit of the day. It's giving, I don't know, but it's anyway, moja.
So I have to do all that day one. But yeah, I have to do that. I am going to get like started right now. I'm probably not gonna vlog a lot of it. I'm just gonna show you like a bit of whatever I'll be doing, because yeah, there's still another vlog that needs to be edited and so it was way fit, but 2025 problems like these will never happen again. Anyway, let me start working. I'm gonna start off by painting this window frame, and then go thingy the grass, and then we'll see. I'm not gonna do everything like today, yo. If I get tired, I stop, and then I'll carry on tomorrow, because I mean I have many weeks here. So yeah, John. And this week maybe I might go, but I'll tell you guys like when I'm actually going there. Okay, so like right now I'm done with the painting thing, yabo. I'm done painting. Dizokhokha amandla, the-oros, and then ndizoyoqhaqha la lentuza, la trati bam, yabo. And then I think I'll be done for the day. Uba amandla sekhona, I'll go thingy to change table. Yeah. Otherwise ukwangoku it's just that, and then pull it. Ouch. Wale uyandithukuthezela mna. Shit. mnandi kakhulu xa suke eJacinto. You?
This is a letter to my soulmate. Fethu. Uzosetyenzwa fethu. Uzosebenza fethu. Ingathi ngo bafithi. Ingathi ngo andiyazi. Womisha fethu kuyasetyenzwa. Kuyasetyenzwa ezilalini. But yeah, I'm about to thingy. Qaqala indawo. Elena.
You? Ndiyatsha fethu. I think endizophindela eMalanga okanye tomorrow morning because you hatsho ndiyatsha sorry ngothendaba you ingxaki fethu akho ndimane ndikroba apha ndifuna ubona ubana kobani abantu abakhoyo apha elalini but I think I'll go back tomorrow in the morning or later on today, but I don't think I'll go later on today. To dinner. So now I'm about to eat, and yeah, I think we'll talk tomorrow or I don't know, any other day. Mucho. Mocho. It's another day. It's a garden still, as you can see. Ndizokomba mazambane fethu. Apha musogqitile kudala ulinywewo. So now amazambane lapha mancinci okanye abolile kuxhifi. It's grass everywhere. Abo ugqumekile kwawona. So I'm just trying to cook something because I want to make like mashed potatoes for supper. Afethu makade afike uOledi you andizimela le upheka mna okokoko kaloku ndifumana umfazi. I need a wife avela apho kuni. But anyway, yeah, I'm doing that now like ngoku, and then I'm gonna go cook, otherwise mucho futhi yabona noma ndithetha uba kuyasetyenzwa ezilalini because but yeah, mucho. To all the girls, ungavuma nje bomi fight, ungavuma nje hayi ungaklinge ungakiyini sesixa umncinci ungavuma nje somdala mani into sokwazi bethe ilwa ungazibe nje in life. Thanks. Molweni. Molweni. Hope you guys are doing good. Today's a Friday afternoon, I think it's around 3 or 4, I don't know. But I just finished Uchenda Inga. On the side I was busy on yesterday. Yeah, I'll just show you. Yesterday I was busy. The Uchenda Inga Payana. Pretty late because it was so hot during the day, and then I decided okay, Monday so I waited, and then and then kofika inkungu, and then hey man, I work still because the phone was at least so I was busy with that yesterday, and then today I just finished and then I didn't want to show that part because I mean respect to Joe. And then there's a lot to do, Joe. Then I'm going to doing like continue with what I was doing the other day. Because I just got tired and decided by say you are disappointed. So I'm gonna continue with that. And then I don't know, my grandmother said there's something I should do with it. And I don't know by doing. What did she ask me to do? Oh yeah. Oh yeah, she's okay, yeah. She was talking about the same thing, like your cracker up. So I'm gonna do that. But I'm gonna do that. And then oh yeah, you. So we say no to fit. You. So we say no to fit. There's a lot of work. And then I think I'll be done by next week, Friday, by everything, because I just clash of it. I have to chill, or maybe next week Wednesday. But yeah, during those days I also have to go like to Paris because hey man, I've been here. But yeah, I'll be doing that, and I think my mother will be back by that time, so I'll be able to like actually leave Pendling, because now I can't go anywhere because I'm left alone with my grandmother. So yeah, otherwise mucho. So namhlanje Paris fethu ndiyobuthela abanye abantwana. Yabo. And then yeah, Joe. Oh wait, Sam. Ngathi khona nezokuchiswayo namhlanje. And hlafuna inyama. But yeah, Louis. Wow, that's all. Unini Joe. And this is the way. I'm dying. Oh, I'm dying. You? The land half of it. It's the 16th of December. I'm so I couldn't even work today. One shade in Jeffet because of this thingy that I have. I have a sore throat, y'all, and I don't know if it's the tonsils or fever or what's going on. So I'm just trying to attack in all ways possible so that by the tonsils figure they're too calm. If we fever figure sekushushu sekusliyo funny, you know. So yeah, but I drank some things, and my mom, which is my daughter that didn't even go to medical school, is helping me with stuff. Never. She's helping me with medicine and stuff, and in their defa because the figure, you know. But yeah, man, hopefully tomorrow I woke up like, oh, tomorrow I wake up feeling better, you know, so that so that I work fit too, because so that I finish some of the work that I have around the yard and stuff. You know, otherwise, more let me go sleep. So apparently, Dinenyongo and fever at the same time. I feel like uba ndiyahamba mandihambe fast because andizuzimela ezintlungu. Andizuzimela ebusuku khandikwazi ulala ngoku andikwazi notya vethu. Yes. Life update. Life update. Iflu yandibulala. Ndiyaphela. But I'm actually getting better, you know. Intlungu asekho, but the only thing that keeps on coming back yintloko, like a headache. But yeah, sure. Izolo ebusuku. But yeah, I'm feeling better besides a fever. And then yela ndinenyongo. Begin ndaya fethu elenduze toilet. Ngifika pha bo ndathi ndashushu fe ndakhulula le wenqa. Ubona ndihamba ngale way because I was wearing this underneath. But you dacha yazi utshiswa you avele ndihlonipha inyongo. But yeah, I'm all good, more better. Ungamoyelo being fit. I'm just relaxing here. Anyway, Mojo. I think Lingibetu was a side over the fever. That's why. But can you tell to doing young? Yes. But Mojo Hello, welcome back again. I'm feeling much better. Right now I'm going to choose and then I'm thinking of the hotel as now by Paris and then just come back. Tomorrow I'm going to town to buy some stuff. So apparently I don't know if I'm gonna vlog. So I don't know of it, but I'll see. And also I hope I'm just getting for my Nepayana go on. Because I'm gonna valley in Manchoma, yes, I'm gonna find that. But mucho. Something about the boondoos. Ngati cognitive stuff. Ngati it did not rain 2 minutes ago. That's the only thing that matters. Are you hating on me? Moto emotweni. I'm so late, bro. I'm so late. It takes it always until young. But it's like Mojo. It's another day. Today is a Monday. 6 a.m. I'm feeling much better. Everything's okay. So I decided to go back to the work I had. Before, you know, figure dates and and stuff. Anyway, I won't be able to actually spend much time so I'm thinking, decided to quickly finish some stuff that I have to do. I'm gonna cut down a tree and then I'll find something else to do that I have to finish, or that I had to finish before goal. But hey man, yeah, let's do that. I'm planning on finishing most of the stuff like this week, because you'll call next week. So yo amanye amalentoza aphuma nge-30, amanye aphuma nge-1, amanye kwimigidi nge-2 neentoni yabo. So as our busy Joe, our busy. So yeah, let me get to it. Mojo. Okay, Mojo. So I'm done with what I was doing, as you guys saw. Go ndizohlamba. Get ready to like vie. And there's uba ndihlambela ntoni Joe, because ndiyafana uba, but anyway, so ndiye Paris, so mandihlambe. But anyway, yeah, I think fair to live vlog and ndizayivala apha, because it's been days the vlog, So I think this is where I'm gonna be saying bana uyipoza for reaching here, and thank you very much. Like lawe ngobukela kubona. It means a lot. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to thingy, don't forget to like, don't forget to share. Kubona. Yeah, don't forget to comment. Don't forget to comment. Don't forget to comment. Yeah, I think another vlog that I'll be doing, I don't know. I'll see you on the next one. I don't know. Maybe I might feel like let me vlog something. So yeah, but thank you for watching. Come on. And inyebetu ya manyebetu journey ended. But anyway, man, it's not like I'm expecting a kiss or anything or from anyone. So, but except so, yeah. So anyway, my message to you guys: ungazi nje ezilalini. Kefiwa up. Kesetyenzo up. Kesetyenzo up. Uze apha at your own risk. Otherwise. But yeah, so thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Mucho.